You can barely hear his horn now. Anyways, that was such a loud horn at the beginning. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I jumped so high. Wow, it's almost like 2 miles long. Sign is Union Pacific M1COW. The M1COW heads from the Plain Sierra and then terminates all the way toward, then heads all the way toward Kingsley Yard, where it terminates at Mill Sierra. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day. Peace out!